Welcome all of you. Today we perform lab experiment of refrigeration and air conditioning. The code of the subject is MEL0723. The aim of this experiment is to study about mechanical heat pump and calculate the COP of unit refrigerating capacity of the unit. Now first, what is heat pump? Heat pump basically any machine that pump heat. In an example, a typical refrigeration circuit of an air conditioner can be tracing the refrigerant flow be classified as a heat pump. Working principle of heat pump. Heat pump transfer heat by circulating a substance called a refrigerant through a cycle of evaporation and conduction. Of compressor pumps the refrigerant between two heat exchanger coil. In coil the refrigerant is evaporated and low pressure and absorb heat from its surroundings. In order to transfer heat to the surrounding, the heat transfer device is heated up to a higher temperature than the surrounding. The system is designed to be used for cooling the space during summer and heating during winter. The coils at the indoor and outdoor become evaporator or condenser depending on the mode of operation. If it is operating in cooling mode, the indoor coil behave as a evaporator and outdoor as condenser. In heating mode, the indoor coil become a condenser and the outdoor coil is evaporator. Now the material required for the experiment. First water supply, stopwatch, mechanical heat pump test string. Now I'll show you first heat pumps parts. First, compressor, this is compressor to compress the refrigerant.